Now we're going to construct an ellipse using the rectangle method. So the first thing we do is we draw a rectangle around our minor and our major axis. There's our rectangle. Now the next thing we do is we divide our major axis into a number of equal parts. So in this example we have 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we divide the edge of our minor axis into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have to be the same. If you have 4 pieces here, you have to have 4 pieces here. The next thing we do is we construct a construction line from the end of our minor axis through these points. Okay, so that's here. So from the end of this through these points. And just make them long enough so that they're going to hit the ellipse. You don't have to put them through these lines. And then we do the same for here. We go from the top of our minor axis through these division points here. Okay, so from the top of our minor axis through the division points. 1, 2, 3. So that's 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 divisions. Okay, and then the next thing we do is we just highlight just where those intersect. So where those parts intersect, that's going to be where your ellipse is. Okay, now the next thing is usually where people make mistakes. What you have to do is you have to bring these points over so that you can construct the ellipse in these quadrants. Now make sure you're bringing these intersection lines across and not the division lines. Most people make that mistake, so it's the intersection lines. Okay, so first we bring our horizontal heights across, right, just by drawing a line straight across, and then we bring our vertical dimensions across. Now the easiest way to bring your vertical dimensions across is either to measure them just with a ruler, or to bring them across with a compass. So to bring them across with a compass, what you do is you put your compass point on your minor axis and measure out this line with your compass, and then make a little mark on this side. And then you do it for each one. Now, the next thing we do is we bring our vertical and horizontal dimensions down into these quadrants. Okay, so these are our horizontal dimensions. We do that either with a ruler or again using our compass. We'll put our compass point here, measure this line, bring our arc across to this line, compass point here, measure this line, bring our arc down. And then to bring our vertical dimensions down, we just line them down this way. And then we make sure our points look like an ellipse. We draw our ellipse in our quadrant, and then we bring it fully around so we have a continuous ellipse.